shea butter, because it's great on your skin. To the shea butter we want to add coconut oil, because it repairs the skin. And I love adding mango butter because it just feels amazing on your skin, and it replaces all those fatty acids, really plumping out your skin. Next we add jojoba oil to give that silky feeling on your skin. Rosehip oil, as it's a natural SPF. And your favourite essential oil, just a little bit. Gently melt your butters. This is really important because mango butter, if you don't melt it, will be really grainy on your skin and just won't feel that nice. So it has to be melted and then set again afterwards. So melt them really, really gently. Then pop them into a couple of Tupperware pots and stick all the butters into the fridge until they're opaque, so maybe about 2 hours. It's chilled, it should look like this. It should look quite thick once you've poured it into a big bowl, getting ready to whisk it. Add the essential oil and then whisk it with an electric whisk until it's thick. It should look like thick double whipped cream, and it should have pretty much doubled in volume because of all the air that you've put inside it. You then fill a piping bag with the body butter and pipe it into your ready jars. And there we go, finished product, ready to use, ready to put a nice pretty label on and give as a gift, or ready for just you.